42 divided by 2 times 3. So if we say 2 times 3 is 6, and then 42 divided by 6, and we say it is 7, this is wrong, okay? Because if we follow the right order of operation, Bodmas, where B represents bracket, O represents order. Order is if there is exponents or if there is square roots. D represents division. Alright, M represents multiplication. A represents addition. And S is subtraction. Alright, so if we follow this order to solve the problem, we would have since there is no brackets and there is no order, the next thing is division. So we'll attend to the division first. That will be 42 divided by 2, and it's 21. Then now we do the multiplication. After division is multiplication. So we have 21 times 3. That is equal to 63. So the answer to the problem is 63. Thanks for watching.